Hi my cuties and welcome back to my channel. Today is a quick get ready with me, a makeup tutorial. I am in Delhi for a day and I thought why not film this. I'm here for a friend's wedding and I have a formal dinner to attend. So I was thinking of going with like sultry eyes. So I thought why not film this for my YouTube fam. You know, whenever I am traveling, I am so excited when it comes to my makeup. The first thing that goes in my suitcase is my makeup. I think when you're traveling, you're like a different person altogether. You have your time, you have your space. So I just like utilize it to get ready, to like just feel good about myself, to have that mini vacation, like that mini me time. So I go in and do a super dewy base. For that I use my Benefits highlighter. I use it before I start my foundation and concealer so that it gives it that glow from within. Also the weather in Delhi is cold, so luckily the makeup is going to stay for like longer. I think I have forgotten my brushes at home, so I'm going to use my fingers to blend in my concealer. I'm going in with Too Faced again. Like I just think I need to get my NARS concealers out. I need to get my Maybelline out, Lakme, L'Oreal, but I think I'm just comfortable with Too Faced. Also they're high coverage, so in case I keep forgetting my foundation, this one just works. I am in the shade natural beige and light beige. I mean, just look at it. I don't know how much you guys will be able to see because I don't have any light on me. This is the light that they have in the washroom, but it's pretty nice. And also I was just happy and I'm like, you know what, it's not always about being perfect. Like it's just about enjoying yourself, being in the moment, and just like keep filming. Like why think so much to attain perfection? Also I love this palette. This one is by Charlotte Tilbury. It's like a 5-in-1 palette. If you go to buy their foundation or bronzer, one is for like 4,000 to 6,000 and this entire palette is in that range. So I think it's, you have to buy smartly. Also whenever I'm traveling, I make sure that I do not carry a lot of products. So I go in with like travel packs or like a palette that has a lot of things in it. I then go in with my Laura Mercier translucent powder. I know I'm going to be out and it's like the wedding season, so I need like setting powder. I'm going to look like Santa Claus with a beard. Don't freak out, but I really love to bake my jaw. Like I think I have that prominent jaw and it feels like I can cut a paper with it. You know, it's one of those days where my face is not looking puffed up. I have been detoxing since a couple of days, so I think that's showing. And my brows, I think I have screwed my left brow. If you can see, the beginning of it is totally gone. I don't know, I think she plucked a few more hair than she should have. And brows literally frame your face, so I'm so tensed, but it's okay. I am happy, so I don't care. I'm just going to go in and gently fill in my brows. Also, what do you guys think about my YouTube channel? Are you liking the videos? Are you liking the content? Is there anything you want to see? Are my videos too long? Like I've uploaded a 41-minute video, but once I start talking to you guys and once I start explaining, for some reason I cannot stop. So if there's any suggestion, please drop it in the comments below. For my eyes, I'm just going to go with like a pretty simple yet very sexy look. I'm going to go in with a nude base for my eyes. Like I'm going to use like nude color as my transition shade and put it all over my lid and like a light brown. And then I'm going to go in with like lots of kajal and eyeshadow and I'm just going to wing it, you know, because I'm wearing all black. And whenever I wear all black, I make sure that one thing like really stands out, be it my eyes or be it like a really sexy lip. So today I'm feeling eyes. This kajal is by Huda Beauty. It's really nice. But also let me tell you, one of my favorite kajals is the Lakme one. It's the thick kajal. It's for 180 or 220 rupees. I think that does wonders. But this one is really good as well. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to apply kajal all over. And one thing that I do is I apply 2 to 3 layers. Don't judge me for having coffee in the washroom. Like I cannot survive without my coffee. I then take in my Chanel eyeshadow. You can use any black shadow that you want and just smudge it. And I make like a really tiny wing. Now this is going to be a half wing. I don't want to do an entire wing. I think this looks really nice. The attention goes on the lower lash line and my eyes like look big. Like look at me enjoying my coffee. Look at me feeling my look. See, whenever I am nodding my head or whenever I'm doing like a little dance moment, I know like I'm just happy with my look. This is a Dior mascara. I've had it for years. Pata bhi nahi expire kab hua. I'm not even going to check it because I don't want to throw it. It looks nice. My favorite bronzer from Hoola. I mean, look at the depth, look at the color, look at the warmth that this one adds. Yeah, if you guys want to invest, please invest in this. I think it's one of the best bronzers in the market. Kiko is also really good. Charlotte Tilbury, the wand is really nice. Then I taken my brush from Sigma and I slowly blend it. And I know I'm like flexing my jawline. Just like look at me, like I'm doing it one hand on the waist. I'm just a girl living her life while she's traveling and having fun. Also, I'm going to do like a lot of eye tutorials. Like, I want to do like color pops, I want to do kajals, I want to do like, I don't know, I want to do something. Leave in the comments, suggest something. What are you guys doing? This is my favorite blush. At night, a lot of times I apply like dark blush, but today I just went with this. I don't know. I don't feel like doing jewelry. I love my little clips. I think they just like keep that innocence in me intact, because whenever I do my eyes now, I start looking like really sharp and snatched. Also, I'm too lazy. To be very honest, I'm just lazy to remove my clips. My hair, uh, I curled them from Bombay only. So now that I've come here, I don't feel like washing because it's really cold. So the hair is going to be like this. And I think I'm pretty happy with my look. I've brushed off the setting powder, so there's no Santa Claus beard. I go in with my, what is this, lip liner. I use one only from MAC. This one is Brick. I think it's such a stunning color, such a stunning shade of pink. I know I'm going to take in my brush and I'm just going to smudge it so it looks like a lip tint. Like, just look at this color. Like, it's so nice. Thank God I shot this video, because it's just me in my raw element having fun doing that little dance that I do, and I am ready. So you guys tell me, how did you like the look? Like, please leave it in the comments. This is a black bodysuit by Zara, pants by Zara. I just love it. I'm going to add like a blazer and it looks like a formal event. I love my eyes. The light is not doing justice to the look, but I'm going to show you another angle. So this was the look. I hope you guys enjoyed. Subscribe, comment, keep interacting. I love you all. See you later.